Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is chicken and chickpea curry, the easy version. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. This is another recipe that uses leftover chicken and store cupboard ingredients. Sometimes you gotta make do with what you got, so I keep telling the wife. First we make the curry paste. Simply roughly chop the onions, garlic, ginger and chilli into a food processor. Add the juice of half a lime. When that's done, add the salt, sugar and curry powder. Come on girl, they're waiting. There you go, about time. And then just add 2 tablespoons of oil and blitz into a fine paste. And you should have something that looks like this. Then when you're ready to cook, simply heat the remaining 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan till it's nice and hot. Add the curry paste and fry off for 2 or 3 minutes to take some of the harshness off the onions. Then simply add the coconut milk. Thoroughly mix this in and leave to simmer for 2 or 3 minutes, and then add the chickpeas. Allow the chickpeas to simmer in the curry mixture for a good 10 or 15 minutes until they become nice and soft. Then it's in with the chicken and mix through. Continue to cook the chicken in the curry sauce for 5 or 6 minutes until it's thoroughly heated through. Then one last check on the seasoning and serve sprinkled with the fresh coriander. Now me, I'd put a couple of chopped green chilies in here just to freshen it up, but my wife doesn't like too many chilies. So, you guessed it, no green chilies. But if you want to put some green chilies in it, feel free. I won't tell her if you don't. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you on the next one. Bye for now.